How to create proxies from media in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added 2 clips to my timeline, and when I move the playhead around, you can see that it is a little choppy. To fix this problem, we can create proxies from the clips. Select all the clips you want to create proxies from. Here I want to create a proxy for one of them. Then right-click the clip and select Generate Proxy Media. Now from Playback menu, select Proxy Handling and click on Prefer Proxies to enable the proxies. Now if I move the playhead above the first clip, which is the clip that I created proxy for, you can see that the playback is very smooth. But my second clip, which has no proxy, is still choppy. To disable proxies, from the Playback menu, select Proxy Handling and click on Disable All Proxies. Now to change proxy settings, click on the Project Settings button. In the Master Settings tab, scroll down to see the Optimized Media and Render Cache section. Here you can change the resolution of generated proxy. You can set it half, quarter, or other values based on your needs. Also, you can change the format of the proxies too. Under Working Folders section, you can change the location where proxy is going to be stored. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.